Alright, so in the previous tutorial we created our AI agent successfully, and in this tutorial we will deploy this AI agent and test on the inbuilt app. Alright, and also we will go into the analytics of the app. So let's move forward now. Let's save and build this flow because our AI agent is now successfully created. And let's go to this deployment dashboard and click on the new deployment. Inside and select option and click on Sprint AI, which we had created, and let's click on the deploy. So you can see that there are different options over here. So let's move on first and check what are the config options we have. So you can see that you can add an image to the AI assistant over here. Also, you should authorize the domains. If you are integrating this AI agent into the different app or on the different website, then you should enable the domain name to the authorized domains over here, and you can enable the app. So first let's upload an image over here. Alright, so this looks really pretty, and let's click on open, and you can see that the image has been uploaded, and let's enable the app so that we can test it. So if you go into the app link, you can see that we have landed on this app page. So it's a good way to share your chatbot or AI agent with your friends or for testing purposes. You can also close this pop-up to scan this AI so that you will be landed on this same link over here. It's good if you don't have any website or something and you want your customers to scan the QR code and chat with the AI. So this is the way to do that. And let's click on AI assistant over here, and let's try to chat over it. Alright, so it's working fine, and let's do one thing. In this URL over here, type something like question mark and then call to action is equal to order now. Alright, so we are doing this manually because we are testing it into the application, but when you integrate into your website, it will be automatically added, this order now call to action. So let's see what are the Indian food options you have. And you can see that it is giving nice results over here, and you can just say I want masala dosa and click on order now, and it's asking me for my name and contact number. So let's paste name. My name is Mark, and phone number is 55555666. All right. So you can see that order has been placed. And now let's go to the email, whether we are getting this notification or not. You can see that Mark has ordered the masala dosa and his contact number, and you can see that it's a 0 minute ago message. So we have successfully got our order. And the best thing about this is, guys, all of these things that are shown here are in normal human language, and you can change these things, change the parameters according to your needs. For example, you can add the parameter of address and so on and so forth. All right, so otherwise, instead of order now, you can do something else. You can do any call to action thing, and it will still work. All right. So let's move on and look into what are the other options that AI agent is providing. So another one is the chat history. So you can see that all of the chat history has been stored over here in 3 sessions, because we had in the past tested this chatbot for the 3 times. And you can see that the recent one is order masala dosa by Mark. So it's definitely saving all of the history. After that, you can go to save data and see that all of the data and orders have been saved in here as well. So if you don't want to open your email or just get the aggregate data of how many orders you had in the previously, so you can just fetch the data according to the date and then export the data to your system. All right. So in this tutorial, we covered configuration options as well as chat history and save data. Um, in the next tutorial, we will cover the integration options with the React.js, Vanilla.js, Discord, WhatsApp, everything, so that you will be able to integrate this AI agent into your application or your website. All right, guys. So I'm really glad you have come up this long with this tutorial series with me, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.